Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream-filled vanilla cupcakes with chocolate frosting. They're vanilla cupcakes with a sweet meringue filling. It's frosted with light chocolate fudge frosting and garnished with mini chocolate chips. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, add the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then place the bowl onto the stand mixer, turn it on to low speed, and then add in the softened butter a little at a time. And continue mixing it until it forms fine breadcrumbs. And then turn off the machine. Then in a small bowl, add the eggs, buttermilk, and vanilla extract. And beat them with a fork until they're well combined. Then add half of the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix it just until it's combined. And turn off the machine and add in the canola oil, the rest of the wet ingredients, and the vanilla pudding mix. And mix the ingredients until they're just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. And make sure you also scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. And if you like, you can finish it by hands to mix in all the ingredients. Scoop the batter into a muffin pan that has been lined with paper liners. Then bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and set them aside and let them cool completely. And now we're gonna make the meringue filling. These quantities I'm giving you are only for half the recipe because you only need half the recipe. So in the top of a double boiler or in a metal bowl, add the egg white, sugar, corn syrup, and water, and place the bowl onto a pot of simmering water. And beat the mixture with an electric mixer on high speed for 7 minutes. Then after 7 minutes, remove it from the heat. Then add in the vanilla extract and the salt. And then beat the mixture on high speed again for a few more minutes until it has cooled completely. Then pour it into a large plastic bag. Spread it down to one corner of the bag, press out the excess air, and seal the bag. And then set it aside for now. And now to make the chocolate frosting, in the bowl of a stand mixer, add the softened butter and the cocoa powder. Place the bowl onto the stand mixer, and then mix it on low speed at first. Then once it's combined, beat it on high speed for 5 minutes. While it's beating, sift the powdered sugar into a medium bowl. Then after 5 minutes of beating, turn it down to low again, and add half of the powdered sugar, 1 spoonful at a time. Then once it's added, turn the mixer up to high again and beat it for 2 minutes. And make sure you also scrape down the sides of the bowl. And after 2 minutes, turn the speed down to low again and continue adding the rest of the powdered sugar, 1 spoonful at a time. Then add in the milk and beat it in until it's combined. And finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Once the cupcakes have cooled completely, hollow out the center of them using an apple corer. Cut off a small corner of the bag with the filling in it, and fill the hollowed out center of each cupcakes with it. Then pipe on the chocolate frosting, and then finish it off with some mini chocolate chips. And that's how to make cream-filled vanilla cupcakes with chocolate frosting. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.